Formal dress nights on cruises are a long-standing tradition going back over 100 years. We can all imagine the glory days of cruising on vessels like the Queen Mary, but today's formal nights are much more casual. Today's cruisers commonly hear terms like dress your best or dress to impress, but don't despair because we've got the easiest way for men to look good on any budget with many of the clothes you already have in your closet. I'm going to show you how to bring just a sport jacket and shoes to create a wonderful formal night out and leave the suit, dress pants, jacket, tie, and fancy button-down shirt home and pack lightly for 3, 5, 7-day cruises or beyond. Let's go shopping at 2 major retailers in the USA. We're going to go to Macy's and we're going to go to Kohl's, and one surprise budget option you might not have even thought about coming up next on Travel Symphony. Cruising is a very personal vacation and everyone has a different idea about what cruising is. But one night you can't avoid is formal night. I want to start off this video by saying it's perfectly fine and okay and encouraged to dress up as much as you'd like, and fancy suits and tuxedos not only look sharp, but they are timeless as well. Unfortunately, you may not own a tuxedo or even a nice suit, and the suit you wore to your friend's wedding in 1998 is also probably pretty out of style. In the past 25 years, suit jackets have become more form-fitting with smaller lapels and serious nips and tucks all over the jacket. If you don't already own a sport jacket and are looking for ideas on what to wear, this is the show for you. I found nothing on the internet or YouTube from a man talking about this, so I thought it was high time to help you look good at any budget. So let's go shopping for a jacket, and I'm also going to recommend some shoes, which are actually going to be Chelsea boots in either black or brown, and I'll provide pricing and where to buy these as well. My first stop, and also the most priciest option, was Macy's. I found that with sales, you can almost get what you pay at a TJ Maxx or Ross with much better selection. I'm a 40 regular, and I highly recommend having a salesperson at Macy's there measure you first so that you know exactly what size you're looking for at every place you shop. For my first jacket, I'm looking for something on the lighter side, something like a gray or an off-white I could wear with almost anything. And I think I found my first love in this Tommy Hilfiger linen jacket. Now let's see how I look. First, we're going to start off with the outfit that I wore to Cabo San Lucas last month. Then let's simply add the jacket and then the shoes. And as you can see, I've swapped out some light jeans for some dark blue jeans and also a black polo shirt, which brings everything together and makes it look absolutely fantastic. Here's the same outfit on Navigator of the Seas just a couple of months ago. Next up was Kohl's for a little less pain on the wallet. Make sure to check the clearance racks too for additional savings. This time I'm looking for the classic blue blazer, and there are plenty here. Let's try this one on as it looks a little big. But nope, the fit is perfect. One thing to note is that on men's sport jackets with the flap type rear, these are sewn together at the factory. I see half the men wearing these still fastened, and it's also tough to see some of the stitching as the same color, so just make sure to cut these off. Here I'm wearing what I wore to the bingo one day on the ship, and all I have to do for my night out is add the jacket and the shoes. Now let's take that same short sleeve shirt and tuck it in with a brown belt and brown Chelsea boots. If you remember, I told you at the beginning of this video there would be a surprise budget option, and it's going to cost you less than $10. And that option is the local thrift store. Suzanne and I wandered into the Goodwill store in Pasadena, California, and we walked into quite a bunch of distractions, like this piano. I was able to quickly locate the men's sport jackets and found a nice chaps jacket for only $9.99. In fact, every jacket was $9.99, and they had my size of 40 regular. Perfect. Let's take the same dark jeans I was wearing with the last outfit and a V-neck t-shirt with running shoes, which would have been a regular type of dress for an excursion with lots of walking. We're going to add my thrift store jacket and the black Chelsea boots. And a special thing for white hot night or any white formal night, I also found this jacket on Amazon for only $20. So there you have it, 3 beautiful sport jackets at totally different price points, ready to take you out in style. And the best part is many of these clothes I showed you today you already own in your own closet. The light color Macy's jacket was on sale for $118, down from $295. The Kohl's jacket was $102 regularly, but I found 10 of these jackets on the clearance rack for only $59. Then the thrift store jacket set me back only $9.99 at Goodwill. So you're probably wondering, Matt, what about the shoes? I understand shoes are a personal choice, but I picked Chelsea boots because they are cheap, comfortable, easy to take on and off, and the best reason is because whether your pants are a little long or a little short, Chelsea boots will help hide your pant lengths, good or bad. The men's black boots are the Macy's brand Alfani and can be had on sale for as low as $29, so look out for sales. And also the brown boots were off Amazon with Sesfini brown boots for men at only $59, and I've seen those on Prime deals as low as $19.95. Well, there you have it, folks. Whether you don't have the money or don't have the space or don't want to get dressed up formally but still want to look great, this is the way to go. And please make sure to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and amazing vacations on Travel Symphony.